Good morning guys from beautiful sunny Green. I have got an amazing van to show you today. This is recently in. It's as much about the van as the pitch. So this pitch is pitch number 801. You have got front and back land. So let's have a little look. So all of this behind me, all of this here, you can see they've had like a vegetable trough, everything in here. So much space on this pitch, and then through here, the pitch is also goes on to have the front garden as well. So pitch is absolutely ginormous. I hope I'm doing it complete justice. Here we are. Just a really big pitch, and if you go around the corner, it actually goes all the way through the side as well. It's just enormous. So let's go and have a little look inside. Here we are, and the beautiful decking just standing out. It's really gorgeous. Such a lovely day. So the amble side, for those of you who aren't familiar, this is one of the most popular models that ABI sell. You've got lovely space for your television, a gorgeous feature fire, really lovely couch, two of those lovely couches, and your storage in the middle as well. Really nice fitted kitchen, as you can see all the way around there. Absolutely massive. So you've got integrated microwave and fridge freezer. You've got a washing machine. So there's absolutely everything in here as well. And then your dishwasher. So everything. Microwave, fridge freezer, washing machine, dishwasher. If we come through, we go into the bathroom, which is enormous shower, lovely bit of storage. To the master room, which is lovely. Got beautiful Regency style headboard at the back, lovely storage and dressing area. And then into one of the twin bedrooms, which has got lovely storage, nice space. And then here we've got a separate sort of like toilet, bathroom. And finally, we've got your third twin room, which is big. So this is a really big twin room. You've got amazing storage in here. Really lovely. So this is a really good size 3-bed. These are, you know, you could have two real proper single beds in there. So this is priced at just $59, and it's an ABI Ambleside on a ginormous double pitch situated at Holiday Resort Unity. So guys, if you wanted to come and have a look or a viewing, run through some numbers, give me a call, 078 6767 4308. But you did hear that right, $59,000 for an ABI Ambleside on a double plot, double size garden. Thank you guys.